Ryan Santos here, potentials.com, signing at our channel. So, our didake for today is divinely impossible. So, yung Bible verse is from Luke 1 verse 13. Your prayer has been heard. Your wife Elizabeth will bear you a son, and you shall call him John. So, this is John the Baptist. So, the one who wrote today's story is si Kirby Laban, Brother Kirby Laban. So, Luke 1 verse 13 talks of answered prayer. So, kay Brother Kirby, answered prayer niya is yung own house niya. Parang God gave yung house niya at his perfect time. So, kumbaga nag-antay si Brother Kirby kung kailan binigay ni Lord yung kanyang prayer or yung kanyang request. So, Zechariah, the father of John the Baptist's prayers, is yung son nila, which is John the Baptist. So, humanly impossible, but divinely possible. His prayer was granted at God's appointed time. So, yan, friend, baka yung hinihingi mo lang is hindi lang dumadating at hindi pa siya niya time, kaya hindi mo pa siya nakukuha. So, just be patient. Friend, trust that God has bigger plans for your prayer intention. So, be generous with your patience and wait for the perfect time, God's perfect time. So, ang reflection natin today is, review your blessings. Aren't many of them answered prayers? So, baka hinihingi mo siya kaya binigay sa'yo. Praise and thank God today. Believe that in His time, He will grant your petition. So, wait lang nga po. Lord, thank you for teaching me to be patient and faithful to your most holy will. Stay safe, everyone. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.